When it comes to paraphrasing, two of the most popular AI tools are Quillbot and Grammarly. But which one is really the better option? Stay tuned, because I'm going to break down the pros and cons of both, and by the end, I'll share an alternative that might just be a game changer for you. Let's start with Quillbot. One of its main selling points is the variety of modes it offers when paraphrasing. Whether you're looking for a simple rewording or a more advanced rewrite, Quillbot's got you covered. It uses AI to deliver a wide range of options, and you can tweak the results to match your writing style or tone. It's a great choice for people who need flexibility and creativity in their paraphrases. Next thing, the integration capabilities. Quillbot offers browser extensions for both Chrome and Microsoft Word, which is a big plus if you're trying to streamline your workflow. The free version allows limited access to these features, but the premium unlocks full potential. The downside? The premium can be a little costly for someone who just needs basic paraphrasing. But if you're working with more complex content, it might be worth it. Now, let's talk about Grammarly. It's known for its grammar and spelling checks, but when it comes to paraphrasing, it's also pretty good, just not as robust as Quillbot. Grammarly's AI-driven rewriting tool helps you make your sentences clearer, more concise, and more engaging. But unlike Quillbot, it doesn't offer the same level of flexibility and rewording. Instead, it focuses on improving overall readability rather than providing a wide array of paraphrase options. The fourth thing to consider is the user interface. Grammarly's interface is clean, intuitive, and feels more polished compared to Quillbot. It's easier to navigate, especially for beginners, and the AI suggestions are neatly displayed. On the other hand, Quillbot's interface can feel a bit cluttered at times, especially with all the different modes and options. However, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to use. Moving on to accuracy. Both tools do a decent job of maintaining the meaning of your original text while rewording it. However, Quillbot seems to handle more complex paraphrasing scenarios better, especially when it comes to preserving the original tone and intent of the content. Grammarly, while accurate, sometimes falls short when it comes to context, leaving you with a paraphrase that feels a bit too stiff or formal. Next, let's talk pricing. Both Quillbot and Grammarly offer free versions, but the premium versions unlock a lot of additional features. Grammarly's premium is slightly more expensive than Quillbot's, but it comes with a wider range of tools for overall writing improvement, not just paraphrasing. So if you need an all-in-one solution for writing, Grammarly might be the better choice. But if your focus is mainly on paraphrasing, Quillbot offers great value at a lower cost. Now, I'll be honest with you. After trying both of these tools extensively, they're good, but not perfect. If you're looking for something better for paraphrasing, something that takes your content to the next level, I'd recommend checking out the tool I personally use. It offers a unique combination of features and an AI engine that outperforms both Quillbot and Grammarly when it comes to paraphrasing. Plus, if you use the first link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial with benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while Quillbot and Grammarly are solid choices for the goal of powerful, flexible paraphrasing, this alternative could be the better fit. Take advantage of the free trial today and see for yourself. Don't miss out.